That's last your boy Night Rider 91 back again with another video. Bit of a colder one today, but we're heading off to a bike meet. Gonna be meeting up with Black Jigsaw and that big R1, meeting a couple of lads at the bike meet as well. So see if there's any decent bikes out, maybe go for a spin later on. It's a bit nippy today. It was nice for the past week. It's meant to be nice for next week as well. Hopefully it clears up. It cleared up nicely yesterday, so fingers crossed. At least it's dry, that's the main thing, and it's not meant to rain, so we'll see how we get on. I have the missus on the back with me today, so it'll be a PG video.
A few moments later.
Well, thank God it was a PG video anyway, because my plate is covered. I'm sure he's seen it, and obviously with the missus on the back, there must be a scooter meet or something as well.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy.
Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Good pilot. You have to wheelie the whole bridge, bro. The whole bridge. Oh damn! What a turnout, bro. BMWs, bro. HP4.